What's up traders, hope you all had a nice and awesome holiday. So let's quickly start our analysis with nat gas, gold and crude oil today. And I'm going to go through silver as well, starting with nat gas, which is our favorite commodity, of course. So what do we have here? Just want to give you a very quick heads up here, as I've already mentioned this zone in my last video. I've mentioned two zones. One is the minor zone above and one is the major zone below. But as you can see, the price opened in a huge gap, breaking below the minor zone. At this point, I'm still waiting for the price to hit my major zone. So this major zone, in case you have missed it, 3.632 goes up to 3.920 here on currency.com, and I'm going to go through Oanda in a moment. So at this point, I'm still waiting for the price to hit this zone, and this whole zone is my buying zone. Once we are in this zone, I will look for one of the entry confirmation, which is my bullish engulfers or my double bottom entry pattern. And if you get a pin bar or a 382 candle, that will be also my buy signal. If I get a pin bar, I enter a few pips above the pin bar. So look for the condition. Zone is almost there. We need to be patient until the price hit this zone to enter our buy trade. Now if the price pushes up and retest this zone, that is still a trend continuation zone, which means if the price push up, we have a chance that the price will come back down and keep on pushing down in a trend. If the price push up without hitting this zone, this is the trend continuation zone. If that happens, we will enter sell trade with bearish engulfers or our double top entry pattern. So keep the zones on your charts, enter with the good entry conditions and confirmation. Right here on Oanda, similar as currency.com, just wait for the price to hit this zone, which is 3.719 goes up to 4.019. This is the zone from where I will be looking to enter my buy trade with one of the entry confirmation engulfers or my double bottom entry pattern. Now if the price pushes up without hitting this zone below, then I will look for a bearish trades from one of the entry confirmation till the price hit my zone here. This whole zone is my buying area, and I will be only entering buy trade with a condition. Let's check gold. Right here, as you can see, price was about to hit my zone, the major zone above, and price is now above the minor zone. We did not get any sort of reason to enter the minor zone, but now I will only enter my sell trades if the price hit the zone above. Once that happens, I will enter my short trade with one of the entry condition, bearish engulfers or my double top entry pattern or with the pin bars. At this point, I'll still wait for the price to hit my zone above. Once that happens, we will good to take sell trades. Now if this pin bar, if this price closes as this a pin bar or a 382 candle, if that happens, as you can see, price is closing down in the minor zone. In that case, I won't be entering straight away. It will be a good idea to enter few pips below the pin bar if we get a pin bar or this 382 candle closed inside. Let's check crude oil. Awesome. So we've been waiting for this level to hit from quite a while. I would say from few weeks. We've been taking buy trades throughout until the price was hitting this area of value. And what do we have? We did hit this zone. Patience is the key, and price did push down out of my zone. Now if price continues to push down, we will use the zone below, which was the level of resistance that was broken previously. This zone will now act as a level of trend continuation zone. So if that happens, let's say the price falls and keep on falling down, have these zones on a chart. The trend continuation zone is 73.99, goes up to 76.42. If the price pushes down, hit this zone, then we will take another long trade. So wait till price completely broke below 50 EMA. Then we have a very likely chance that price will likely to push up and bounce up from my trend continuation zone. If the price won't break below 50 EMA, we can still get another push up and we can still get a double top entry pattern. If that happens, that would be a very good sell signal again. So keep an eye if you have a double top. If the price pushes up, as looking at the fact price is still above 50 EMA, that is why I'm still expecting price can still push up and form double top entry pattern before we can see another. So have both zones on your chart and enter with a good confirmation. Let's check silver. Awesome push up out of silver. Now as you can see, the price is in the zone I have mentioned in my last video, and I was expecting a good push down out of my trend, out of my counter trading zone. So let me quickly show you what I said in my last video. But still the price is bullish, and I'm only looking to enter my sell trade once the price hit the zone above, which is 24.34 goes up to 24.68. Once the price hit this zone, I will enter my short trade using engulfers or double top entry pattern. Nice one. As you can see, this zone did reacted and price is falling down. We do not have any sort of entry condition yet, but I'm still expecting price to push down. From this zone, we can still get a double top move here. So keep an eye here as well. Have your rejection zones ready the way I mark my rejection zone. So if the price come back in this rejection area and give us a reason to enter sell trade with a bearish engulfer or a red candle, then we have a good chance the price will fall dramatically. So keep an eye here, enter your trade with the condition. Targets will be 1 ATR. Once you have a condition, you can use 1 ATR for your stop loss and 1 ATR for your take profit. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.